Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good afternoon everyone. The Honorable Dr. Beni Wijaya and all my friends. My name is Maya Putri Salsabila from 3BD class. Today I would like to present my review journal. The title is Exploration of Marine Tourism in North Sumatra, an analysis of promoting tourism. Authors Anang Sutono, Rizky Briandana, Caturi Damewanto, Dr. Alina, Endi Rekarti, and Nindita Aisyah Dwitias. Journal of Social Studies Education Research, Volume number 9, Issue number 4, Publication date and year, October 1st, 2018, page 13 page. In this presentation, I will divide my presentation into 5 sections. The first is introduction, second, conceptual framework of the study, third, method, fourth, finding and discussion, and the last, conclusion and implication. The first section, introduction. According to Briandana, Dr. Lina, and Sukmajati 2018, Indonesia is the world's largest archipelagic country with 17,504 islands and a total coastline length of 81,000 kilometers. Indonesia has the potential to develop in ways beneficial to its people. One such way is through marine tourism. As such, marine tourism must be managed in a professional, synergistic manner through investment in hospitality, transportation, communication, and information. According Buhalis and Amarangana 2015, tourism promotion is an essential part of the general economy. It is also important for local communities because tourism can revive these communities around tourist attraction. Tourism must be promoted so that its tourist attraction can be better known and can attract potential tourists. However, tourism promotion in Indonesia hasn't been synergistic. This is considered one of the weaknesses of Indonesian marine tourism. Next, the main objective of tourism marketing is that it can provide a livelihood for people who live nearby the tourist attraction. To achieve the goals of tourism development, promotion must pay attention to the potential of tourist attraction to persuade potential tourists, as it requires synergy from all related elements, such as central government, local government, and society in general. North Sumatra Island is an island located between the Malacca Strait and the Indian Ocean. North Sumatra, in particular Medan, has considerable marine tourism potential, but hasn't been run optimally. It has beautiful beaches and diverse underwater treasures. North Sumatra has substantial tourism potential. As such, it has become one of the most cited destinations in Indonesia. In spite of the advantage afforded to it by marine tourism, North Sumatra has encountered problems regarding tourist visitation. Data from the Ministry of Tourism show an average decline of 2% for overseas tourists to North Sumatra over 5 years. Second section is conceptual framework of the study. The first, marine tourism. Marine tourism is still developing in Indonesia. Marine tourism is based around the attractiveness to potential tourists of marine and marine-dominated environments. The attraction of marine tourism derives from the unique natural beauty of coastal areas and their supporting recreational activities. One type of nature tourism that currently produces many local and foreign tourists is marine tourism. One understanding of marine tourism is that it is a kind of nature tourism related to water based on resources. Next, based on figure, Indonesia is ranked 42 in the world of the tourism sector. If viewed in details, it turns out that Indonesia has great tourism potential that has been maximized. Most areas in Indonesia are surrounded by waters that play an important role in meeting basic human needs. Therefore, in the context of managing marine tourism areas, the basic principles that must be developed are: first, the principle of co-ownership; second, the principle of cooperation; and the third, the principle of co-responsibility. For the community to be able to participate, it is necessary to empower economic, social, and educational forces. The second is tourism market development of the study. Marketing strategy is a promotional activity that emphasizes the provision of information regarding tourism activities at a tourist destination. Tourism development success is determined by 5 factors. First, the need for multi-stakeholders or related institutions. Second, the integration of science skills with local knowledge and community-based management. Third, the building up of local capacity. Fourth, the implementation of multi-use zoning to balance competing goals. And the last, participation in learning and governance networks. Tourism demands are closely related to users or consumers. Tourists are considered to be markets because tourists are targets to be addressed by tourism offers, and the most important element in tourism development is the provision of tourist destination by maintaining local culture, history, and the level of economic development so as to make it a source of tourist income. The next section is the method. This study research design used a qualitative approach with a case study method. The research focus was the role of travel agencies. Case studies are used to investigate a past event or problem by collecting various kinds of information. This information is then analyzed to identify individual problems and the proposed solution. This study's primary data came from FGDS with 25 travel agents in North Sumatra. This study used two data collection techniques, FDGS and observations. The purpose of using FDGS is to prevent researchers from misunderstanding the problem under study in exploring specific issues related to marine tourism promoting strategies. And observation is used to observe the interaction of travel agents when promoting marine tourism on social media. Next, this is picture the conceptual framework of the study. As shown in this picture, the researcher obtained data from the participants, the travel agent, travel association, and government employees of North Sumatra, in order to grow the product characteristic and the Indonesian marine tourism market. And it can be seen that market development requires a SWOT analysis, and the results are confirmed with the tourism stakeholders close to the customers or travel agents. By combining the result of the SWOT and FGD analysis, this research will provide the factors needed in a successful marketing strategy to attract tourists to visit. The next section is finding and discussion. The first is characteristics of Indonesian marine tourism. Several factors that underlie the selection of marketing strategies regarding Indonesian marine tourism products and markets. In the context of the tourist industry, products come in the form of tourist attraction or goods and services used during travel activities. Marine tourist attraction can be analyzed as products. This SWOT analysis showed that North Sumatra marine tourism conditions are seen as products involving strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. The three main strengths of Indonesian marine tourism market were natural resources, culture, and cuisine. The weaknesses were the following: poor facilities and infrastructure, no standard price, and a lack of promotion of marine tourism. This study identified opportunities in the following areas: social media, communication, purchasing power, the tropical climate, and the number of travel agents. The market strategy is considered the most appropriate alternative strategy because marine tourism in North Sumatra consists of coastlines, islands, and oceans, all of which qualify as competitive products. The second, characteristics of Indonesia marine tourism market. The factors that most influence the current North Sumatra marine tourism market both positively and negatively are related to: first, supporting cycle factors or infrastructure and superstructure. Second, the development of ICT. Third, the existence of the tourism operations sector, especially travel agents. And fourth, market segment size. Indonesian marine tourism has a promising market share, especially for domestic tourists. This is indicated by the number of visits over 6 million that occurred from 2010 to July 2016 from Ministry of Tourism Republic of Indonesia 2016. However, archipelago tourism visits experienced a significant decline over the same period from 7.63% to 0.16%. Next, the market strategy for North Sumatra marine tourists. Based on the picture, the North Sumatra marine tourism market strategy can be carried out by setting two main objectives, namely, first, increase awareness such as intensive marketing communication through social media that shows the strength of the North Sumatra province and the local government must support it. Promotion of marine tourism in North Sumatra. And second, increase visits such as standard price for series and products, categorizing travel agents in certain market segments, hours for travel agents. Both of these objectives will be achieved by implementing a pricing strategy for services and products in conjunction with advertising and promotion through various media, both conventional media, social media, as well as through community-based channels. For the last section is conclusion and implication. The purpose of this research is to improve the marine tourism industry in North Sumatra. Based on its findings, this study makes the following recommendations. First, certain stakeholders must pay attention to the importance of travel agents, who must be responsible for disseminating information and actively encouraging marine tourism activities to potential domestic tourists. Second, to bring more tourists to marine tourism destinations by providing tour packages that suit the needs of tourists. Third, it is necessary to formulate a price standardization policy for the Indonesian marine tourism industry. And finally, it is necessary to increase the intensity of marine tourism promotion activities from the Tourism Ministry and travel agents. Okay everyone, I think that's all of my presentation. I'm sorry if I have a mistake during the presentation. And I want to say thank you very much for your great attention. Good afternoon and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.